welcome back to the channel. I think in the last video we showed us actually doing a lot of the four-link stuff, but we didn't actually talk about any of it, I guess. But we do have it all made and done, except the panhard bar and the anti-roll bar. We got to do that yet, but we have moved on to doing the roll cage. It's a Firepunk 850 cage. We got some of it tacked up. Learning process for us, trying to figure out where to put the holes in and all that stuff. It's just something we haven't done before, but we're getting it. Gutted the whole freaking thing. This is pretty much all that's going to be left in here for the most part. I'm assuming we're going to run the cluster. Being a factory ECU, I doubt we're going to do some sort of fancy display until we get to the point where we're not running the factory ECU anymore. But for 72 fast, we have to. We're working on, we're trying to do it as quickly as possible. We're going to like lift the front of the truck and
oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, what is that?
We're gonna take it outside once we get the back on the wheels and everything like that, because it's full of like oil and shit like that we need to get pressure washed out of there. We should have done that earlier and we didn't. It was kind of dumb on our parts. So these are not the upper control arms that we wanted to really actually use. Whatever, it turned out to be kind of a time constraint and somebody just had them. So this is what we got, the Kryptonite ones, because these, as far as we can tell, will definitely fit the coilover. Dirty Hooker makes some pretty badass tubular ones. That's what we actually wanted. But again, somebody just like had these locally, so we just got them, and we're on time constraints, so that's kind of like what we're doing there. So we got to install those. I have to start going through all of the engine parts, figure out exactly what we need, what we're missing. I mean, the engine's together, but like all the accessories and all that stuff. I am going to be taking the Waggler intake back off. Absolutely sucks to do this, I'll be honest with you. For anyone that doesn't have one of these, they absolutely sucked to take off and clean up. And I think it's got a 10 mil CP3 or something like that in there. He ordered a 14 mil, so we're going to take that back out. We're going to put a 14 millimeter in it. We got to make some charge pipes, I think, going to a single turbo from the compounds that I had. A lot of stuff is ordered. Playing the waiting game. It's kind of a bad time of season to be waiting because it's all last minute, but what are you going to do? We are learning a lot. It's fun.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
I guess if that's what you want to say. But, yeah, whatever, so.
There's a Rogue nickel back here. Nickelback.
Look at this photograph.
Looks like he had a lobotomy.
Are you gonna drill it? That's not where we wanted the hole. Oh my god.
What's going on under here?
Oh, you know, just hanging around.
Just hanging around.
I'm done.
Just make it so if anything happens, the worst thing that happens is the throttle gets stuck underneath some of that. Just end up somewhere between here and Indianapolis. Well, just so you know, I've ripped a lot of these off in the car one time when we were jumping it. One time we jumped, I don't know whose car it was, but we jumped, and I look in the back seat. I was in my LOI, but I think we were jumping it. And I look in the back seat, and my friend's holding on to the fucking handle. Like Philip.
Torx?
Turn the steering wheel to the left. Oh, the other left.
Oh, I had the blinker on, sorry. Is this good enough?
Nothing is ever going to be good enough, Jordan. I'll tell you right now, this. Coleman, where do you get this stuff? The brand is Anchor, and I literally just started brushing. This is what it did.
Hey, come on.
Honestly, brush on this.
How do you bring me a fucking drill and everything with no battery?
Yes, for that.
Toothbrush.
I need to take a picture or a video of the raccoon that's stuck. Telephone wires or telephone poles are held up with the wires. There's a raccoon stuck in between one.
Just hanging around.
Isn't the screw straight? This thing sucks. Thank you.
Take that little green screwdriver. This
You don't want water. Remember
this is
what
bad.
Shane did? Let me just use this. Use pliers to push it off.
Well, it's all underneath the truck too. Shit.
Just let it drop. Don't. Why'd you do that back into
I didn't
the-
want it to burn your glove.
It's a nothing.
Okay.
Oh man, the building is on fire. I said, no, what? I got my 3 kids and we bounced out. We ain't gonna be in no fire, not today.
Okay, so that is not aluminum.
No, that's zirconium
No, there's
or something.
magnesium.
I think it was made in
It's
Iran.
magnesium is what it is. If anyone knows, I think we just found out, but this is definitely magnesium.
Magnesium.
And it is very flammable. If you only grab one stick,